Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the vlog. Happy birthday if today's your birthday. I'm sleepy today. We're tired, guys. We're tired. I'm tired. Sorry about that noise. Molly Cat's litter box is just running in there. Been working for about an hour now and just getting my coffee. I don't know why. I just went in there and sat down and started going through emails. So got through all of those, which is great. Sorry I'm yawning so much. I hope I'm not making you guys yawn too much. I'm really tired for some reason. Actually, speaking of, I sort of want a bigger cup so I can make more of this. It's annoying for me to vlog with that in the background. Sorry if it is, but I'm doing it. If you guys missed my last vlog, I got a new order of my Blue Land cleaners in. Blue Land is a really cool, like, eco-friendly brand that Connor and I use for our cleaning supplies because you can refill the bottles. Basically, it just comes with like a little tab and then you fill it up, and the tabs are so cheap. A pack of 3 of like one kind costs $4, I think, $6, something like that. And this stuff lasted me like more than a year, so I think that's a pretty awesome deal. So we want to put the little tablet in there. This is the bathroom one. Tap goes in, fill it up to the water line, and you just sort of let it do its thing. I probably should have filled it up with water first, actually, in retrospect, so we'll do that with this one. This is like the all-purpose cleaner, and this stuff is amazing. It's our go-to if like a spot gets on our white couch, if Molly gets sick on our rug. This is just like so good for that. It truly is like all-purpose, all surfaces. This pops right in. And then you just wait until they're totally dissolved. Our place is a total mess, but we have been busy and tired. So we're going to get a good clean in this weekend, I think. We don't have too many plans this weekend, which I'm actually very excited about. So hopefully we can get a lot done around the house and, like, you know, some relaxation in as well. Anyway, Connor's out of the office today. I don't know what time he's going to be back. Probably around 2:30 or 3 o'clock. So we have most of the day here by ourselves. I think what I want to do is sit down and get some work done. I know that's not very original. I have some editing that I want to finish this morning, housekeeping stuff this afternoon. But overall, my to-do list was not looking too scary, which is really nice. We'll see what else pops up throughout the day because it usually does, but I feel pretty good. Let me have a look here. It's really not that bad. Yeah, so we're just gonna start. Oh wow, my hair is looking crazy. I'm not looking my best today. Hope you guys don't mind. One of those days. I'm just feeling really extra lazy. Going to get started on editing some videos here. No, I really don't feel like it, but I definitely should, because if I don't feel like it now, I definitely am not gonna feel like it later today, so we have to. But another gross and gray morning here. Very disappointing. Lunchtime. Oh man, I'm tired. Oh yeah. Oh, I woke up sort of hungry today. It's sort of an early lunch for me. It's 12:30. Usually I eat lunch between like 1 and 2. But yeah, I just woke up hungry. So I sort of just want to eat something. But what is the question? What do I want to eat? What sounds good? I think we're gonna do some sort of veggie rice bowl. But we have to make rice then, which does suck, but whatever. Oh, hell yeah. Can make this in the microwave. Amazing. We're gonna try this veggie fried rice. I've never tried this brand before. I think I'm gonna do some broccoli, and I had this plant-based sausage in here that I haven't tried before. Bought it a while ago and just never tried it. It's from Tofurky, Italian sausage. My favorite is the No Evil Italian sausage. It's so good, but we will definitely try this. Just slice this up. The texture looks really good inside, so I have high hopes for this. Okay, we have some veggies chopped. Our rice is cooked. And over here we've pan fried our sausage and broccoli and a bit of soy sauce. Should we try a piece of the sausage? Mmm. It's good. Really good. Start with our rice. Then we can get this stuff in here. All right, we're gonna do a little bit of soy sauce on top of there. Some kimchi would be good in this too. Maybe I'll add a little bit of that. Got a little bit of sriracha mayo on there, as well as sriracha, or not sriracha mayo, what am I saying? Sriracha ranch. Let's do some kimchi, just a bit. I really don't need too much in there because there's already a lot of stuff, but that should be a yummy little bite. We got a nice little bowl here, stocked full of veggies and goodness. And our lunch viewing pleasure is part 4 of the Real Housewives reunion. Well, friends, lunch is over, but I have a cat on me. How am I supposed to move with a little kitty cat snuggling? So I think I'll sit here and TikTok for a little while before going back to work. I know I shouldn't, but how cute she is. Good girl, Molly cat. Good girl. I'm going back to work right now because Molly got up. But guys, I was just scrolling and I saw that Starbucks officially has their holiday cups out. And if you think I'm not walking my ass to Starbucks tomorrow, then you don't know me at all. Holiday cups, holiday season. I'm so happy. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Oh, it's the best time of year. I'm so excited. I'm gonna die. I'm so excited. It is much later now. What time is it? Almost 7 p.m. And I'm just about to open up a bottle of wine. I also have a package here that might be from Stella. I'm not sure 100%, but we're gonna check it out. This is one of our faves. How do you think you say this? Bousquet? Connor.
What?
I'm talking to you. How do you think you say this?
Basket?
There's no A in it. Does an OU make an A sound in French?
B-A-S-Q-U.
B-O-U-S-Q-U-E-T. Bousquet?
Yeah.
Bousquet?
Bousquet.
Anyway, Cab Sav. You guys have probably seen us drink this a ton.
Organic, bitch.
Yeah, it's really good. So you think you're gonna make a burrito for dinner?
Burrito. Yeah, maybe.
Okay.
Maybe pizza. We could do homemade pizza.
Yeah.
Salsa, Nicola.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what I want, what I'm doing in general in my life. But we don't need to get into that.
When you start pulling that strap.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, tomorrow we have really fun plans. I think this is gonna be like a combo vlog, FYI.
Oh, you guys are gonna enjoy tomorrow.
So I think tomorrow I'm going out with Becker to shoot some photos just for Instagram, but sort of TBD because it's been so foggy here. We wanted to go into Malibu, but it's been so gross that I don't even know. But either way, I think I'll see him tomorrow for lunch because we have some other stuff that we need to go over. And then we're actually going over to Cait Alex's tomorrow night, and Becker's gonna cook us dinner, and we're just gonna hang out and do like a little chill at-home wine night. Can't get this out of here. Tight squeeze. Ow. Ow, my fingers. Oh my God. What do I do? I guess I have to flip it upside down? It still won't come out. Literally, it's upside down and it won't come out. Like, I don't know what to do. Here. Oh, there it goes. A little. There we go. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Stella says the cutest PR. A candle. I love when I get candles in PR.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my God, what does that smell like? Like
Beer?
cafe mocha.
Ooh. Oh, that smells really good.
Right?
Oh, is this
So
gonna be like a
cute.
dark beer?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's their midnight lager.
I guess
Look at
it's
this
just a
little
lager.
beanie.
Hell yeah.
It'll look weird because my hair's up, but
No, it looks cute.
I feel like
Give me Shaun White vibes.
like I'm from the Midwest wearing a beer beanie, to be honest. And then of course the actual midnight lager. Anyway, oh my dad's
I'm
calling.
excited that we got a new candle.
I know, me too, always. Hey Dad. How are ya? Hello everyone, it's the next day. Happy Friday. I believe it's Friday for you too, so love that. Let me know what your weekend plans are down below. And I am just getting ready right now because I'm meeting up with Becker. We were supposed to do a shoot day today, but it is so foggy and gross out, so probably not going to happen. I think we're gonna reschedule that for maybe Monday. But I'm just throwing on a little bit of makeup here because we still might try to get like one photo or something, just, you know, to get. And we have a lot of other like business related stuff to go over, so we're still meeting up for lunch and we're gonna go over a ton of that stuff. But I don't think I'll be out for the whole afternoon like I originally thought. Been a very productive morning so far though. Knocked off a ton of my to-do list and got a call in, which is nice and productive, so feeling good about all that. I think I need another haircut pretty soon. Like I feel like my hair has grown out so much that I don't have a lot of the shape anymore. These are my shortest layers and they're all the way down here now. They used to be like up here. Okay, that's good. I'm just going to get the rest and then we'll head out with Becker in about 30. Forgot my camera, sorry, but out with Becker now. And he brought me to Justo, which is his favorite sandwich place. You've told us about this so much.
I know.
Connor was really mad at me for going today.
I know, then you get to go back and brag about it.
I know. And he always is like, let's go Justo. I'm always like, no, I don't feel like it.
This will get you like every time.
Every time,
Although the
yeah.
$20 sandwiches, you'll be like, eh, sometimes.
Every time.
But yeah.
But got an Italian here and very pumped. I'll report back. Well, friends, it's quite a bit later. I'm back on my camera. Sorry it's sort of loud along this street here. Not ideal. Maybe I'll wait until I get into a side street to talk to you, actually. Okay, back onto a quieter street. Hello, friends. Sorry I totally forgot my camera when I went out earlier. I don't know why. I think I just had tons of other things to grab, so I just lost track of it. But it is probably around 4:30-ish now, and I just finished doing some returns from Amazon, just a couple things that I bought for Halloween didn't end up using, so sent those back. Now we are heading over to Starbucks because that just sounds lovely and I really want to get a holiday cup. So that's where we're going. Yeah, I'll probably just hang at Starbucks. I like brought my book, so I'll probably hang there for like 20 or 30 minutes just chilling and then head back because Alex is going to come pick us up around like maybe 6:30-ish. And off to our dinner party we'll go. So much holiday. Thank you. So quiet in here. Apparently the ice cups are not holiday, at least yet, or maybe this year. But I didn't want something warm anyway, so. Becker is almost here to pick us up. Just got changed into something slightly more casual. Just, I don't know, felt like getting changed. But really quickly, I want to show you the little goodies that I got from Justa. So first up, I got these pickled red onions. I love pickled onions so much. I think they're so good. Really pickled anything. Let me try one. Oh my god. Mmm, that is delicious. And then the other thing I got is some minestrone. Looks so good. When I was checking out, the guy who was checking us out was like, you will not regret getting this soup. Shall we try a little sip of this as well? It'll be cold, but who cares? Mmm. Oh, that is good. Like, we're gonna have that on Sunday. Oh my god. Absolutely delicious. Okay, Becca's here, babe.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yo.
Hello, friendo.
Long time no see, Jill.
Long time no see.
Like, oh, just sit on my lap.
So nice and light, these glasses.
Yeah.
Hey,
Thank
Jill,
you. Yeah.
wake up.
I'm sorry, I'm having a moment with Liv. I know you're jealous, but.
I am jealous. So wake the fuck up.
Made to Cait Alex's. We have a little cheese board moment happening.
Yeah.
Cheese. Yum. This salmon, whatever thing that we got is really good.
I like this table. The salmon spread.
Salmon bread. We love a salmon bread. Cheers, friends. Yes. Thanks for having us over. Cheers.
Happy Friday.
Of course.
Moment of truth.
It's delicious. Okay, dinner time. Thank you so much, Beck. It looks amazing. We have a chopped salad here, which looks so good. And then the star of the show, obviously, baked ziti. The fucking ziti. It looks so fucking good. I feel like this clip is very blurry. Camera is not great, but thanks, Mom.
Much better.
I am done.
Yes,
exactly. We are walking to a bar right now. It's literally called Old Man Bar. So I'm intrigued to see the vibes. Cait gave me a book, so I'm carrying a book with me to a bar.
Normal things to bring to the bar.
Here we are.
I'm so excited for you.
I'm very excited. I'm gonna read it this weekend. Hopefully the whole thing.
Yeah, you will. 100%.